Here we are in early February, temperatures in the high 40s, so it's a beautiful day to get out and do some pruning on our dormant trees. As trees grow, we want to keep aware of what's going on with the structure of the tree, if there's any dead limbs, deformed limbs, divergent limbs moving through the shrub or tree in the wrong way. Perfect time of the year to do a little light pruning on our trees and shrubs. This is dead wood, so it doesn't cut as easy as live wood would. See how this whole limb just reaches through and starts to rub on these other limbs. We want to get rid of that so again we can keep our center structure of the tree kind of open. See this one, how it curls inward? That is a sign of a dead limb on an elm tree. When the limbs are alive, they flare out and open, but when an elm tree dies, they curl in like this, and you can see in the landscape, even when you're driving your car, if you're driving along highways and you see these trees that are all like a closed, upside down closed umbrella, it's a dead elm tree. Alright, so we'll do just a pile there. Pruned out a lot of dead wood. We've opened up the structure of the tree. The tree will be very happy with its new haircut, and we'll probably revisit it in a couple weeks just to see how it's leafing out. The American elm tree, a classic North American tree, loves wet soils. Also, because it loves wet soils, it takes a lot of compaction, so it was used a lot in the American landscape and village greens and in cities, that sort of thing. It was a favorite street tree for many years until Dutch elm disease.